हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम सुनील रंजन है और मैं इंग्लिश टीचर हूँ। अभी मैं आपके लिए फ्लेमिंगो किताब में जो कहानी है द रैट ट्रैप उसका MCQ लेकर आया हूँ। तो मैं प्रारंभ करता हूँ और क्वेश्चन के बाद मैं उनका जवाब आपको देता जाऊँगा और जब आपको क्वेश्चंस आएंगे तो आपको जवाब याद रहेगा तो आप आसानी से टिक करते चले जाएंगे। तो मैं प्रारंभ करता हूँ। Number 1. Who is the author of the story The Rat Trap? The answer is Selma Lagerlöf. Number 2. To which country did she belong? The answer is Sweden. Number 3. What were the rat traps made of? The answer is wire. Number 4. Apart from selling rat traps, what did the peddler do to survive? The answer is begging and petty thievery. Number 5. What idea came to the peddler about the rat trap? The answer is the world was a rat trap. Number 6. What has the bait in the rat trap been compared to? The answer is riches and joys, shelter and food, and heat and clothing. Number 7. Where did he ask shelter one dark evening? The answer is a little cottage by the roadside. Number 8. Who was in the cottage? The answer is an old man without wife or child. Number 9. What did the old man make to share supper with the peddler? The answer is porridge. Next, number 10. Which game did the old man play with the peddler until bedtime? The answer is Majolis. Number 11. Where did the old man work in his days of prosperity? The answer is at Ramsjo Iron Works. Number 12. What did he work there as? The answer, as a crofter. Number 13. What supported the old man? The answer is his cow by giving milk. Number 14. How much money had the old man received from the creamery last month? The answer is 30 kroner. Number 15. Where did he put the 30 kroner wrinkled notes? The answer is in a leather pouch. Number 16. Where was the leather pouch hanging? The answer is on a nail in a window frame. Next, number 17. Where did the peddler leave the crofter's cottage? I repeat, when did the peddler leave the crofter's cottage? The answer is the next morning. Number 18. Where did the crofter go after he locked his cottage? The answer is to milk his cow. Number 19. When did the peddler return to the old crofter's cottage? The answer is half an hour later. Number 20. What did the peddler do? The answer is he smashed the window pane and took away the 30 kroner from the pouch and went away. Number 21. Where did the peddler find himself when he left the public highway? The answer is a big forest. Number 22. What was the month when the peddler found himself trapped in the forest? The answer is December. Number 23. What appeared like bait to the peddler in the forest? The answer is 30 kroner notes. Where did the sound in the forest come from? The answer is Ramsjo Iron Works. Number 25. Where did the peddler go to warm himself? The answer is the forge of Ramsjo Iron Works. Number 26. Who did the iron master think the peddler was? The answer is his old friend Nils Olof von Stahl. Number 27. Who says, yes, God knows things have gone downhill with me? The answer is the peddler. Number 28. What did the iron master treat the peddler as? The answer is like an old regimental comrade. Number 29. Who stayed with the Iron Master? The answer is his oldest daughter, Edla Wilmanson. Number 13. Whom did the Iron Master send to invite the peddler to his house? The answer is his daughter, Edla Wilmanson. Number 31. What did Edla think about the peddler when she saw him? The answer is she thought that either he had stolen something or he had escaped from jail. Number 32. What did the Iron Master think when he saw the peddler well dressed and ready? The answer is he realized his mistake that the peddler was not his old friend. Number 33. What did the Iron Master say to threaten the peddler? The answer is he threatened to call the sheriff. Number 34. What did the peddler say to the Iron Master? The answer is the peddler said that one day he too will get caught in the trap. Next, number 35. Who asked the peddler to stay back and celebrate Christmas with them? The answer is the Iron Master's daughter, Edla Wilmanson. Number 36. What did Edla get to know about the peddler at the church next morning? The answer is one old crofter had been robbed by a rat trap seller. Number 37. What happened when the Iron Master and his daughter returned from the church next morning? The answer is the peddler had left behind a package that had one rat trap, and in it were 3 wrinkled 10-kroner notes. Number 38. To whom was the money to be returned? The answer is the old crofter. Number 39. What name was written on the letter that the peddler had left? The answer is the name of Captain Von Stale. And the last question is, what had the peddler called himself in the letter? The answer, a rat. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पर यह MCQ समाप्त होता है, और यदि आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया है तो थैंक यू, और यदि नहीं किया है और यदि आप करेंगे तो आपके लिए मैं समय समय पर MCQ और अच्छे वीडियोस लेकर आता रहूँगा। थैंक यू।